Your question was why there are so many problems, frictions between the European Union and Turkey. This goes back to 2005 when European Union has taken the Cyprus as a member of European Union. As you know that according to the European Union laws and regulations, if some country has a problem with the neighbors, any conflicts with the neighbors, they cannot take that country as a full member of European Union. But they has taken Cyprus as a member of European Union. Even they have a problem on this island, Cyprus, north of Cyprus, south of Cyprus. Problems conflict started in the 60s. Even this conflict was not unsolved. European Union has made a big mistake by taking Cyprus, South Cyprus, as a full member of European Union. Turkish government was disappointed, and people of north of Cyprus. This is the first first problem between European Union and Turkey. The second problem is regarding to the YPG, the offshoot. YPG is offshoot of PKK, which is terrorist organization according to the European Union and Turkey and the USA. Some member states they are dealing with this YPG. For example, France and Turkey doesn't make it. Turkey doesn't like this, and France has a big role in Germany has a big role in European Union, and of course France's stance is important. President Trump has said many times that they have paid to the YPG to fight against ISIS and others. I think some of the now I don't remember, but some of these members of the Congress has said loudly also that this YPG PKK is the same. They are terrorist organization, and Trump has said that we have paid them to fight against ISIS, and Turkey is saying that Turkey wants to make clear that these are terrorist organization which is really has strong connect with the PKK. PKK has been fighting against Turkey more than 30 years, and this terrorist organization, and Turkey. That's why Turkey has this problem with the European Union because of the France stance, some other members countries stance, and for example, these representatives of this YPG, they can go to the president's palace in France. And the third problem is that between Turkey and European Union, in 2016 there was this failed coup attempt in Turkey. After that, Turkey has waited, expected support from the European Union, high-level sports, but sports came, statements came after 3 months. After 3 months, that at least they could have said that. Even they don't know what was the situation. They could have said that government or president, prime minister, whatever, who comes with the elections will go only with the election. They didn't even say these statements. We didn't hear. But when Sisi toppled the Morsi in Egypt, after 10 days they were their European Union representatives to show their support and solidarity to the Sisi. This is unbelievable. Turkish people were really disappointed, and they were not expecting that after 3 months European Union tell their support, show their support for Turkish government, to elected government. The other problem is migration deal between in 2016 they make this migration deal to prevent refugees to go to European Union. Turkey hosts almost I think 4.5 million people, refugees from Syria, and some from Iraq, some from Afghanistan. And according to the deal, that agreement, European Union has to pay 6 million euro to the Turkey, but all the money didn't come. Half they have paid to Turkey, half didn't come, and Turkey had really big burden. Imagine that, for example, Finland population is 5.5, almost that much refugees were in Turkey, and a few days ago they have paid the rest of money to Turkey. A few days ago, and Turkey has paid a lot of money from its own pocket to the refugees. Turkey didn't get that support, and visa elaboration, all these things didn't happen. So Turkey was Turkish people and Turkish government was disappointed. And last problem between Turkey and the European Union is this Turkey's intervention in Syria and in Libya. Turkey is there in Libya because of the officially Libyan government, legitimate government, the government that recognized by the United Nations. That government has asked help from the Turkey. If Turkey was not there, probably there were a lot of millions refugees were in European Union from Libya. And Turkey is there not fighting against only Haftar, it's fighting against Russia there. Imagine that Turkey was not there, Russia will be there to the south of the European Union. Turkey is preventing, and because of the Turkey's efforts, there is a ceasefire there now, there is peace there. And in Syria, Turkey has 911 kilometers border with Syria, and there were a lot of rockets and shootings from there to the Turkey, and Turkey is there. Turkey is not fighting only against Assad, is fighting against Russia there too. Turkey is preventing Russia also, and where is the support from the European Union? Turkey is doing all these things, and I remember many times President Erdogan has asked European Union to come there, to become the part of this conflict solutions there in Libya, in Syria, and to be in this negotiation by the table. European Union, where is the European Union? It's not there. Russia is there, Iran is there. Okay, in Libya there, but Turkey wants that, for example, in Libya, in Syria, they are creating these constitutions. Where is the European Union? European Union cannot say that this conflict is far away from me, it doesn't affect me. It's affect directly. As we see this migration refugee crisis in 2015. And I hope in the near future, Turkey and European Union sit and talk. All these problems we can solve. They can solve by negotiation, by dialogue. I hope European Union will not use this language of sanctions. It will not work with Turkey. Turkey wants to be a part of member of European Union, and Turkey wants that accession talks resume again. I think they can solve these problems, repair these ties, they will benefit, both sides will benefit from this, from each other. I mean, European Union and Turkey, they have a lot of common interests